So I got us a, there we go, Vixen Air tank. And so my plans is to mount this with the valve facing in. And it's going to be somewhere right in there, like that. And then I'll mount the compressors out in front of it. What's in the box is I got the tank, and I got some mounting bolts for the feet of the tank. So, and I'm going to mount them with the feet down, tanks up. I'm going to plug a lot of these because these tanks are designed where you can set like your valves here for your four corners of the truck, but we're not doing that because we're using the manifold to control the four corners. So I will plug these. I'll plug this back one on this one. The compressor will come into this one here. I don't exactly know which ones I'm going to use it. I might use the front two for this and plug the others. And I got to put a drain plug in the bottom, because I'm going to run lines up to the manifold and just pressurize the manifold, and the manifold will control going to the tires. When it comes to installing tanks, compressors, and all that, they're going to send you the parts. They'll have mounting bolts with them, but you need to decide what your mounting brackets are going to look like, and that's just about in any case. They sent me the hardware for the tabs for the tank, and they sent me the hardware for the compressors, but I still had to drill the holes and make the brackets. So you will need to figure out where you want to mount your stuff at. So let's go ahead and set these tanks in here. So I took a minute, I put the filter dryers on, I've got my plugs in some of the holes here, I've got a couple of them left open because I need to put fittings in it that I don't have just yet. But now we're going to mount the compressors on the plate that I drilled out there for them, and we'll hook them up. So I've already got the bolts that hold the compressor down. I've already got them in the feet, so I'm just going to line up the holes there as I've set it down. And there's that. Okay, I've already got the filters on the back side of the compressors. They're sitting there where they need to be. The only thing I need to do now is I need to put my tape on this fitting here, and these will plug into the, oh, better take that out. These will plug into the filter dryers. Try and get that hose where it looks halfway decent. And it'll look something like that. So I'm going to go ahead and put my washers and my lock washers and nuts and stuff on the tanks, get them bolted down good, and I'm going to thread these up and or put the tape on them and thread them in.